Yeah, 10-4. I got an old Tram D80 on the workbench, man. I finally got this thing transmitting. Had a couple transistors burned out there, but it seems to be doing a job now, barefoot. Hey, 10-4. I appreciate the radio check, man. Get this thing boxed up and get it back to Virginia.
Actually, I don't really like those traps. They're nice to talk on, but they don't like to stay too well. I used to run one of them back in the day. I kind of gave it up till they got tired of tuning it.
Yeah, 10-4. Well, all it is a Cobra 142. It's the same board as in the base station.
Yeah, but they're fun to talk on. They are fun to talk on. And they do have some unbelievable audio. One of the best radios to use to skip on, ain't no doubt in my mind.
Yeah, 10-4. Alright, well, at least it's transmitting. That's a plus, man. It wasn't doing anything before. Alright, 427. We'll talk at you later. 250 at the workbench. Stepping on.
Yeah, boy, like I said, that radio's got lots of drive. I got you right about 2.5 pounds, swinging about 3.5. When you talk, it just drives straight forward. And the audio is crisp and clean.
Yeah, 10-4. Alright, man, appreciate it. That's a good deal all the way up there where you are.